Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use a function in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets and I have prepared my table like this. And we're going to put a function to this discount column. So if the quantity is larger than or equal to 5 pieces, the buyer will get 5% discount. But if the quantity less than 5 pieces, the buyer will get a 0% discount or won't get discount. So let's put the formula to the cell. Make sure that you pay attention to this formula, okay? Type equal, then a function, and click on B3 cell, and larger than or equal to 5 will get 5% discount, and type 0% discount. All right, and just click on enter. All right, and we can do autofill. We can drag down this cell. All right. Okay, guys, and that's how we can use a function in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video.